Agents of Socialization. Human beings are not born knowing how to behave in society. A newborn child does not understand language, values, customs, or rules. All of these things are learned gradually through a lifelong process known as socialization. Socialization is the process through which individuals learn the norms, values, beliefs, and behaviors that are considered appropriate in their society. It helps people understand how to interact with others and how to function as members of their communities. This learning does not happen automatically. It takes place through various influences in a person's life, which sociologists call agents of socialization. These agents are the individuals, groups, and institutions that shape the development of a person's identity and behavior. The family is the first and most important agent of socialization. From the moment a child is born, family members begin teaching basic behaviors and values. Parents teach children how to speak, how to behave politely, how to respect elders, and how to distinguish between right and wrong. Through daily interaction, children learn cultural traditions, religious beliefs, and moral expectations. For example, a child may learn the importance of honesty because parents reward truthful behavior and correct dishonest actions. Family members also influence attitudes toward education, work, gender roles, and social relationships. Because children spend their earliest years with their families, this stage of socialization has a powerful and lasting effect on their personalities and worldviews. School is another major agent of socialization that shapes individuals after the family. When children begin attending school, they encounter a more structured environment with formal rules and expectations. Schools teach academic knowledge such as reading, writing, science, and mathematics, but they also teach important social skills. Students learn discipline, cooperation, time management, and respect for authority. They learn to follow schedules, complete assignments, and participate in group activities. Schools also expose children to people from different backgrounds, which helps them develop tolerance and understanding. Teachers often serve as role models, demonstrating fairness, responsibility, and commitment to learning. In this way, schools prepare individuals not only for employment but also for responsible participation in society. Peer groups also play an important role in socialization, especially during childhood and adolescence. A peer group consists of people of similar age and social status who interact regularly. Friends influence each other in many ways, including attitudes, interests, fashion choices, and forms of entertainment. Young people often learn independence and social skills within peer groups. They may experiment with different identities and behaviors while seeking acceptance and belonging. Sometimes peer influence can be positive, encouraging cooperation and confidence. At other times, it can lead to negative behaviors if group members pressure each other to break rules or engage in harmful activities. Nevertheless, peer groups remain an essential part of social development because they help individuals learn how to form relationships outside their families. The mass media has become an increasingly powerful agent of socialization in modern societies. Television, films, newspapers, radio, and digital platforms expose individuals to a wide variety of ideas, lifestyles, and cultural values. Through media content, people learn what society considers fashionable, successful, or desirable. Media also shapes opinions about politics, social issues, and cultural trends. For example, television programs may influence how people perceive family roles or relationships, while online platforms allow individuals to interact with global communities. Although media can educate and inform, it can also spread stereotypes or unrealistic expectations. Therefore, understanding media influence is important for recognizing how social attitudes are formed and reinforced. Religion is another important agent of socialization that influences moral values and ethical behavior. Religious institutions teach beliefs about right and wrong, encourage compassion and responsibility, and provide guidance for personal conduct. Through religious teachings, individuals often learn about respect, charity, humility, and the importance of community service. Religious gatherings also create a sense of belonging and shared identity among followers. Even in societies where religious participation is declining, religious traditions and values continue to shape cultural norms and social expectations. The workplace becomes a significant agent of socialization during adulthood. When individuals enter employment, they learn the norms and expectations associated with professional life. They develop skills related to teamwork, responsibility, and communication. Each organization has its own culture, including standards of behavior, dress codes, and work ethics. Employees learn how to interact with supervisors, colleagues, and clients while adapting to organizational rules. Through this process, people develop a professional identity and gain a deeper understanding of their roles within the economic system. Government and political institutions also influence socialization by establishing laws, policies, and civic responsibilities. Through education systems, public campaigns, and legal regulations, governments promote certain values such as citizenship, equality, and national identity. For example, national celebrations, public holidays, and civic education programs encourage individuals to develop a sense of loyalty and responsibility toward their country. By enforcing laws and maintaining social order, political institutions help define acceptable and unacceptable behavior within society. All of these agents of socialization work together to shape individuals throughout their lives. Socialization does not end in childhood. It continues as people encounter new experiences, roles, and environments. A person who moves to a new country, begins a new job, or becomes a parent may undergo new forms of social learning. Each stage of life introduces different influences that reshape attitudes and behaviors. This continuous process helps societies maintain stability because individuals learn to follow shared norms and values. At the same time, socialization allows societies to change, as new ideas and experiences influence how people think and act. Understanding agents of socialization helps us recognize that our beliefs and behaviors are not formed in isolation. They are the result of interactions with family members, teachers, friends, institutions, and media. By becoming aware of these influences, individuals can better understand their own identities and the social forces that shape their decisions. Sociologists study these processes to explain how cultures are transmitted across generations and how societies maintain continuity while adapting to change. In conclusion, agents of socialization are the key influences that guide individuals in learning how to function within society. Family introduces the first lessons of culture and morality, schools provide knowledge and discipline, peer groups develop social skills, media spreads ideas and images, religion shapes moral values, workplaces build professional identity, and political institutions encourage civic responsibility. Together, these agents help transform a newborn child into a socially aware member of society who understands how to live and interact with others. If you found this explanation helpful and easy to understand, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more sociology lessons that make complex ideas simple and interesting for everyone.